Welcome at Pizza and More. This time we make a vegetarian pizza which is absolutely delicious. Yeah, I'm Juergen and we make this time together a Pizza Peperoncini. Some of you might think right now, oh, the Pizza Peperoncini is for me too spicy, but this is really not the case. I personally, sometimes I like it when it's spicy, when some other food beside pizza is also spicy, but I don't like it too spicy. So if it's too spicy, I don't like it anymore. And in this case now, on the Pizza Peperoncini, I use really absolutely mild pepperoncini. If you want on this pizza additional salami or maybe ham, you could add this as well to this pizza because ham and salami also fits perfectly to pepperoncini. But on my Pizza Peperoncini today, we have as base San Marzano tomatoes, then of course some and enough Parmesan cheese, then fresh basil, then we add buffalo mozzarella because onto this pizza there belongs buffalo mozzarella. And then, of course, we add some pepperoncini, oregano, and then some olive oil. And now I show you how I make the Pizza Peperoncini. I already took out the pizza ball from my pizza ball box, and now I stretch this pizza dough like a Neapolitan pizza needs to be stretched. Therefore, I press all the air from the center towards the crust. And then as the first topping I add tomatoes. These are San Marzano tomatoes, and per 400 grams of San Marzano tomatoes I put 4 grams of fine sea salt. Then we have some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Then some fresh basil. Then I have here halved buffalo mozzarella cheese, minis. Then of course here the pepperoncini. I parted them already. As I said, these are absolutely mild pepperoncini. If you want more spicier ones, then use the spicy ones. Then what I forgot earlier to say, some also halved cherry tomatoes, some oregano, and of course olive oil. Then it's already time for launching the pizza onto the pizza peel. And now I stretch the pizza to its final size. And now it's time for the oven. And here comes our nice Pizza Peperoncini out of the oven. And I promise you, it smells absolutely great. It doesn't only look like fantastic, it also smells fantastic. With all these white, green, red, I think this is an absolutely beautiful pizza. Now some leaves of fresh basil. And now this delicious pizza is done, and I have now the pleasure to enjoy this nice pizza. I go over into the living room and enjoy there my pizza. My wife is already there and has already one. And I promise you, I'm really looking forward to eat this pizza right now. If you like my video, it would be fantastic if you like my channel. And then we see us also in the next video. Ciao.